everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy bath and beauty products. So for today's project, we're doing a melt and pour facial bar, and it's going to have rose clay and charcoal in it and be scented with tea tree and lavender essential oils. So first, I have 6 ounces in each container of shea butter melt and pour. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that melted and then be right back. All right, so I have my base melted and I just melted them in the microwave in 30-second intervals until everything was melted. Then I have 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal that I dispersed in 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. Get that added into this one. And then in this container, same thing, but with rose clay. So 1 teaspoon of rose clay and 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. And I'm just gonna get that stirred together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my essential oil. Just do about half in each. So the tea tree is a really strong aroma of an essential oil. If you're not a big fan of it, but you still want the cleansing properties, that's why I added in the lavender essential oil, just to tame it a little bit. So I'm gonna get a little more of that charcoal out. And the shea butter melt and pour base is a nice one to use, just especially for a facial bar, since it won't be as rough on the skin. It'll be more moisturizing. So now that I have this stirred together, I'm gonna go ahead and get it poured into the mold, and I'm gonna pour both in at the same time, just from opposite directions. And it'll give it kind of a marbled look. All right. Now I'm just gonna give the top a quick spritz with the rubbing alcohol to pop any air bubbles. Then we'll let this set up for 2 to 4 hours, and then we'll be back to unmold them. All right, and we are back to unmold the charcoal and rose clay facial bars. As you can see, it has a real nice pattern through it. The tea trees and the lavender comes through really well. You'll notice the underside of the bars is more black, and then the top has more of that marbled effect, but I think either side looks really nice. And as I said, just with all the different things in this soap, the charcoal, the rose clay, and the tea tree, it'd be really nice on the face as well. I think the top of this one is definitely my favorite. It has more of the pink marbling, and I really like this one. So this would make a great gift at the holidays, and it's a recipe you could easily double or triple if you needed. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next one.